What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out the new blushes from Rare Beauty, the Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush. I have this in the shade Cheer. I got this for my birthday from my bestie. It's funny, I really wanted a luminous blush for spring and summer. I had tried to pick up the, what was it? The like soft sculpt transforming like powder luminizer thing from Makeup by Mario. Instead I got the bronzer by accident, so I was really excited when I saw that I got this blush because it is more on the luminous side. So an airy silky blush, powder blush that brings instant life to your cheeks with a fresh radiant flush that lasts. Sorry, it's the morning, it's like tournament hockey weekend, just like feel like I am in a daze. So it comes in this really pretty container, and it is this beautiful soft pinky peachy luminous shade. It kind of reminds me of Luminoso from Milani. Like it definitely has a similar tone, like really similar. Looks a little bit more luminous and soft, and hopefully we're gonna get a lot more pigment out of it. So we'll do a makeup look and try this out. So if you guys would like to see more of the Soft Pinch blush from Rare Beauty, then just keep watching. And if you could, it would be so amazing if you could subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and hit that notification bell. It would really help my channel. All right, let's get into the makeup. I just want soft, lightweight makeup today. I'm going to be at the rinks all day, so I don't want anything too heavy. I'm going to go in with my Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint in the shade 4. And this is just a really nice, light skin tint. Gives you a little bit of color, but just kind of all over gives your skin a nice, enhanced look and still look like your skin. It is gloomy. It is a gloomy April day. April showers bring May flowers, and at least it's not cold. There are years that we have like major snowstorms this late in the spring, so at least it's just rain. I just want a little bit of soft bronze on the cheeks, no like strong contours. So I'm gonna go in with my Soft Sculpt from Makeup by Mario. I use this on the daily and just use my round brush to pop that on the cheekbones and just kind of give a little bit of bronze to the skin. Gonna do a little bit of nose contour. I love doing this. It always kind of gives a more youthful look to the face. So I'm going in with my Halo Beauty Wand contour stick. This one is perfect for this. It's in the shade light medium, and I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose, up near my eyebrows, across. Just really kind of makes the tip of the nose look a little bit more petite and a little bit more button. For my concealer, I'm going to go in again with my Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow Multi-Purpose Concealer. This has a luminous finish to it, and I have it in the shade 25. I think the next thing I want to try out is a new concealer, so let me know if you guys have any kind of concealers that you want to see, how they look on mature skin, how they look on darker, deep set eyes. Let me know if you have any recommendations or just like concealers that you would want to see me try out, because I think that is the next thing I want to get, is a new concealer, because this is all I use. I haven't really touched anything else from my collection. It's funny, my first impressions of it were that I thought it was like too light, but I love it. It's just fresh and doesn't build up or get cakey around the eyes. And yeah, I love the way it looks on my eyes. So if there is a concealer you want to see me try out, please put that in the comments and I will definitely try and pick up a new one and we'll try it out together. I'm just going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer now and just kind of set the outer area of the skin and just add a little bit more bronze to the skin before we try the blush out. All right, let's go in with the blush now. And first I'm just going to swatch it. Feels really soft. Just going to swatch it on my hand. Oh, that's pretty. Yes, we are definitely getting more pigment for sure than Luminoso. Swatch this beside it. They're really actually close in tone. Luminoso's a bit darker and a bit more chalky on the skin for sure. I'm going to say that the Rare Beauty feels a lot smoother. I'm going to take this contour brush from Real Techniques. It's a little bit more dense and it's going to pick up more pigment, but I want to hopefully show this, like have it show up on camera. Sometimes blushes don't show up as much as they do in person, and when I tell you, I'm like, whoa, they're pigmented, and I look up on the screen, it doesn't look as pigmented. It's kind of a bummer. So I'm going to try to pick up as much pigment as I can without looking like crazy on my skin. Wow. Okay. Very luminous. It is very luminous. Oh my goodness. And you know her products are pigmented. Like her cream blushes are so pigmented. The tiniest bit goes a long way. That is gorgeous. I have never swatched any of these blushes before. I always kind of pan through them at Sephora and always want to try it out, but I'm always in there buying something specific. Oh, that is really pretty. That is really pretty. It's like the perfect amount of a luminizer and blush in one, so you don't need like a highlight. Gorgeous. It's so pretty on the skin. It's so nice. I don't even feel like it's enhancing any of the texture on my skin either. Sometimes luminous products and highlighters can kind of bring out the texture on your skin, but I find that this is just settling into the skin so beautifully. So I just put on a little bit of mascara. I am so impressed with this product, this blush that just is a powder, but just kind of sinks beautifully into the skin like a cream product and just works so well with cream products. It looks beautiful. It has such a pretty tone of like baby pink and peach, and just the luminosity to it is everything you would want for summer. So all right guys, thank you so much for being here. If you are looking for a new summer luminous blush, this is the one for you. I highly recommend. Rare Beauty always has a nice range of colors as well, so if this shade was not the one you were looking for, I'm sure they have a shade that you would prefer. Thank you again for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys again soon.